It's a great pleasure to have the Aerospace delegation in Los Angeles, and it's a great pleasure for many reasons. With Confindustria, the Italian Manufacturer Industry Association that has selected the company, with Siemens, that is the Italian merchant bank, public merchant bank supporting joint venture and internationalization of Italian company, with our embassy for the part of the project in DC, and especially with the Consulate General in Los Angeles for the Aerospace mission.
Thank you for coming tonight to this event. There's a little bit of a networking, a little bit of presentation. It's been, I think, long because we started already with a few remarks and presentations earlier, and you will listen to more presentations later. I would like first of all to thank all the organizers, both from the Italian side and the American side, the Trade Commission, the Siemens, the Industria, and all of them, plus from the American side, the Chamber of Commerce, the LACD, the LA Mayor's Office for International Trade. Thank you, Stephen, for being here. As Carlo was saying, this is part of the largest mission that Confindustria has organized nationwide, and in order to clearly boost the business and investment ties between Italy and the United States. As you know, we enjoy a very strong traditional ties, not just politically but economically, between our two countries. And Los Angeles has been selected for the aerospace, which makes our job very, very crucial and important, precisely because of the importance that the aerospace sector has in both of our economy and in both of our political systems. Italy and the US, as you all know, are very strong partners in security and defense, and we are part members of the same alliance, and we cooperate in many peacekeeping missions around the world, which makes our cooperation extremely important also in aerospace. It's a priority industry that we both attach a lot of importance, a lot of priority, precisely both from a political point of view, but also from an economic standpoint, because there's so many fallout from the aerospace industry that reverberate in other sectors of the economy. So the potential for employment opportunities is great. That's why we both have to research all the opportunities that are there for expansion in the aerospace sector. Italy has a very strong aerospace sector. We are, I believe, the fourth country in Europe in terms of the size of our aerospace industry, and you will listen later to the presentation that our companies will make on their profile on what they do. But I can say that it's a very strong group that, and the aerospace industry in general, despite the challenges that we've all had for the situation of the global economy, but they have managed to keep their positions in the international economy. And they've done pretty well. They have a very highly skilled labor force. They are distributed in all the country, with some districts that are more specialized in some areas. And we have some big companies, but mostly they are small and medium enterprises which are very flexible, and therefore they have a model of production that lends itself to the challenges and creativity that is involved with a sector like aerospace. But you have also heard, and at this point I would address my fellow Italians. You've also heard about Los Angeles and why Southern California is a very special place for aerospace, and you will also hear from Stephen later. Los Angeles is basically the ideal place to do business in aerospace for a variety of reasons, some of which are political, some of which are economic. We have the greatest science and research institutions from JPL, Cinzia Zuffara, associate scientist, the Italian top scientist at JPL is here. But we also have many other prestigious institutions, educational institutions across Southern California. We have a very diverse and highly skilled labor force. So all the ingredients are there, including the access to a market of subcontractors that is available and ready to provide services any place, anywhere. And also among the institutions that have been involved with the transmission, I forgot to mention the LA County, and Assad just walked in. So I was saying Los Angeles and Southern California are really an incredible place for aerospace. Lots of opportunities. So I think that all the premises are there for Italian companies and Southern Californian companies to explore business opportunities, to explore, to investigate more what they do and how can they respectively cooperate in order to strengthen these ties that are so sensitive and so important for our countries and for the relationship that we both continue to enjoy.